Happy Cinco de Mayo. Today we're going to make a special cocktail designed specifically for this day. Just kidding, I have no idea why it was made. I just know that I wanted to make something special for Cinco de Mayo, and I didn't want it to be a margarita. Love margaritas, they're absolutely fantastic, but I wanted to try something with a little bit of smoke to it. So I went with something called the Mezcalita. And what the Mezcalita is, it has mezcal, it's got simple syrup, it's got lime juice, it's got agave, and it has one other thing, Doritos. So, how we make this? You take your mezcal, you take your lime juice, you take your simple syrup, you put it into a shaker, shake it vigorously, but before all that, take your agave, you rim your glass with it, take some Doritos nacho cheese chips, crush them up, then you rim the glass with the Doritos nacho chips, shake up the rest of that delicious drink, pour it in the glass, boom, there you go, Mezcalita time. So, that's what we got for you today. Enjoy.